Okay, good morning. I want to teach you PowerPoint today. PowerPoint is also very important as any other package that you have seen Microsoft has provided. Now, PowerPoint has also different versions. Okay, we've got 7, we've got version 10, 13, 16, 19, so on and so forth. But what is more important is, yes, these versions can have different interfaces, but they have the same, almost the same concept, just a few additional features that you will notice as you use PowerPoint, which is higher than the other one. So now, as you can see, this interface of 2019, right, Office, has this facility that is very important, the new, and these are what we call templates. So now, how do you design a PowerPoint using a template? It's very simple. The template, you just get these already designed forms and make few changes. But as a beginner, you need to appreciate how you can do a PowerPoint presentation from blank. That's why today I want to show you how to do it using the blank. So if you want to do the blank one, you just double click on this one and you find that it will open in a moment. Right. That is very important because if you know how to do it from blank, then it becomes easy for you to master even these other the so-called the templates. Right. So as we wait for the PowerPoint to fully load, now let's see some of the things that we will find as PowerPoint loads fully. So find things like home, set, design, transition, animation, the slideshow, and these others. But basically be interested in the first 4 or rather 5 menus. So basically when PowerPoint opens, it opens with a template slide. These are called slides as opposed to pages. So it opens with a slide like this one. Now since we don't want it, we can delete it, right? You can delete a slide and put your own. So you right click on it, then delete slide, then it will go. Okay, then you can put your own. So you go to new slide and you choose blank. All these people, these are templates, but you're interested in the blank here. You click on blank and then you find that I want have this. So I'm going to demonstrate how to put the data on the blank slide and also how to design a slide, because if you can design one slide, you can do the same to all these other slides. So I'll just simply show you how to work with one slide and these are the features that are very important. So how to put the data on the blank slide? So you go to Insert, then you click on Text Box, then you come and draw a box here, then you put what you want to put there. For example, you can say PowerPoint, right? PowerPoint lesson, right? And then click outside. Then you can also increase. Remember, it's very important that you've got very big font because PowerPoint is basically meant for presentation. So if you cannot see, people can't see what you're presenting, it becomes a problem. So the recommended one is basically 44, side 44 for the headings. You can also center it. You can also make it bold. Perhaps we can also change the color of the title there. So PowerPoint lesson. So here you can put other things apart from text. You can also put pictures. For example, you go to Insert. I want to put a picture. Okay, so I'll choose from this device. Choose from this device. If you want to put a picture, so that I can show you how you can work with the picture also besides just the data. Okay, so wait for it to bring the facility for picture. Okay, it has come. So you can go to one of the folders here. Yes, here's a picture. You can size it so it can look big. Okay, that's my picture there. I want also to put a caption of the picture. So you can say the above picture shows the green apple. Okay. The green apple is tasty. Okay, just maybe end from there. I want to make these as points. I write them, and then you go to, you can put bullets like that. Also increase the size so it can be visible like that. So basically, this is what I want to demonstrate to you. Right. So from there, I'll design the page. For the page just to look nice. So you can choose any of these themes here for designing. What is important is it has to be simple. I'm going to choose this background. The reason is my main foreground should not divert so much from the background. So that's why I've picked the green background like that. So the main point can be maintained. Then there are also transitions in case you want to be moving. Okay, if you've got more than one slide, you want to move, okay, the slide from one slide to the other slide. There must be some effects in between. This is the purpose of transition effects. So you maybe can put curtains, so that it begins with the curtain like that. As you move forward, it's better. Then you can now look at animating the items in this. So you click on the item you want to animate. Then under animation, you go and choose, okay, you can choose more entrance effects. Drag this one here, right? So perhaps maybe I want this one to be spinning, yeah, like that. Then I'll click OK. The picture, you can do the same, more entrance effects. The picture, I want it to boom around, click OK. Then here, more entrance, move this one so that you can see the effects. Not interested. You can go to more exciting ones. Yeah, maybe that. Yeah, perfect. Then click on OK. What you can do is, by default, these animations will be on click. If I click, that's when they'll come. But if you want them to come automatically, you can click on after previous. But before that, let me demonstrate how the click work. So once you put the effects there, you have to go to slideshow, and from beginning, have the slide. So the curtains will open like that. Presentation starts. Then you click. Okay. Okay. So let's have this work done. Okay. Let's simply do this. So the work I'm trying to demonstrate here can be appreciated. Okay. So do this. Okay. So when the work begins, once you click, it comes like that. Again you click, the picture will come like that. Then you click, then you see the work coming like that. So this is a simple presentation of, okay, of how we can do a presentation in PowerPoint. So if you can do one presentation like this one, there's no doubt that you can also do more other presentations with more slides. So if you want to add more slides, as Ada mentioned, you can simply go to insert, okay, go to under home rather, and then you choose more blank ones for you to enter the data like that. Right. So basically this is how we do it, and it's not so difficult. Right. Until the next time, people, you can enjoy the lesson over and over.